So the purpose of this HoloLens app is to visualize complex genomics data from the Wellcome Sanger Institute. And the way we do it is there are 6 steps, and each step will guide us through the research in such a way that after roughly a couple of minutes, you'll get an intuition or an idea about what this research is about. And it starts with the first step. And the first step is a volumetric introduction, which is given by one of the principal researchers, Martin Hamburg. And we volumetrically captured him in the Dimension Studios in London. And this is him talking for around a minute about the reasons for his research and why it's important in the broader spectrum of genomics. And once he's finished that, we can move on to some other steps discussing the life cycle of the malaria parasite, all augmented with holographic visualizations. And these steps are all narrated by Martin, by the researcher. And this research is very data heavy, so if you move on to step 4, which is one of the data sets that's been used in this data set, you can actually see a 3-dimensional representation. And it's quite important to see this 3-dimensional representation because it is about the structure of these green and purple data points that come out of this circle. And how this is used is we could have multiple HoloLenses. And we could discuss this data set as if it were tangible objects in the real world. And we can easily enlarge this data set so that we can expect the data points closer and better see these different outliers. And this is not just one data set. So there's quite a lot of data sets that we can do. If we zoom this back down, we can look at different data sets that are in this research, and they've all got different stories. So there, within 6 steps and a couple of minutes, other biologists, researchers can get a glimpse of the cutting-edge research that's been done in the Wellcome Sanger Institute.